If your gut just jumped, stay. Universe, push this to you now. One person felt it the second they opened this video. That's you. February 20th to 25th, 2026 is still electric. Post-eclipse Aquarius waves, sudden turns, old limits cracking. Saturn-Neptune makes everything feel timed from above. Someone here just stared at a balance, trade screen, or notification and felt the shift. This is not random. This is your reading. Money incoming this week. Breathe deep. Feel the push. Question: why did the universe drop this exactly when your gut jumped? What proof shows the cash is coming February 20th to 25th? Deck shuffled slow, channeling Aquarius suddenness plus fated timing. 5 cards for you. Past block, 5 of Pentacles reversed. Lack fading. Past felt cold. Money out of reach. Reversed equals door starting to open. Eclipse cleared some fear. You know the nights you stared at zero feeling stuck? Current moment, Ace of Pentacles. New seed in hand. Golden opportunity right now. Universe planted it. Small win, ping, idea that pays. You just felt your phone buzz or wallet thought hit. Ace says it's yours. Trigger, Wheel of Fortune. Fate spins, luck cycle turns. Trigger this week. Sudden flip, payout, spike, viral moment. Aquarius amps it. You feel it. Wheel turning today or tomorrow. Incoming money, Knight of Pentacles. Reliable arrival, steady cash, deposit, affiliate, content payout. Real coming fast. You know which app/wallet it's hitting. Outcome, 10 of Pentacles. Abundance foundation, security, long-term flow. This week's win builds the empire. Universe time this video for you. Proof, 5 rev, lack ends, to ace, seed, to wheel, turn, to knight, arrival, to 10, locked in. This is your reading, money incoming. February 20th to 25th, tie in. Past lack flipped to seed planted to fate, turns to cash arrives to foundation built. Universe pushed this video right now because the route is open. Daily gut jump energy, February 20th to 25th. Random app refresh feels heavy. Idea lands and feels instantly right. Gut says, check now. Balance thought pops up. Calm certainty, it's here. Shocking signs, money incoming. February 20th to 25th. Phone vibrates or lights up randomly. You think money to app opens itself. Dreams show cash/notifications. Numbers spike, 888-1111-555. Unexpected tip/refund lands. Gut says, today/tomorrow. Old idea/trade resurfaces with profit. Feeling it's already done. Synchronicities double. Number plus money symbol. Calm peace. This week, post-eclipse dreams vivid about wins. Notification glitch feels like sign. No desperation, just knowing. Universe confirms every few hours. Win lands when you detach. Subscribe and comment below. Want more of this energy? Give first. Universe flows both ways. Advice, February 20th to 25th. 1 action daily. Post, trade setup, outreach. No chase. Stay cold, universe delivers. Affirm 3 times per day. Universe push this now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th perfectly. Log signs, proof builds fast. Cold mindset, hungry, grateful, zero emotion. Aquarius mode, innovate quick, detach outcome. No doubt, timing is perfect. Celebrate small, push for 15,000 plus. Affirmation, universe pushed this right now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows, so it is. If this hit deep, like subscribe, bell on, comment, gut jumped to claim, drop sign or next focus. Stay aligned. Universe timed this. Every second counts. Push harder.